Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to be showing you how to decorate a toilet paper roll cake. Right here, I am going to go ahead and add my buttercream. So this is going to be my base because for the decoration, we are going to cover our cake with fondant. Now, I am not using so much buttercream just because the cake is for our household. But obviously you could be way more generous with the amount of buttercream you use. So now I am going in with my plastic scraper, and this is just so I can even out the cake as much as I can. There is metal cake scrapers, but personally I work best with a plastic one, so you can use whichever works best for you. And I'm just smoothing it out, although I will show you a little trick later on in the video so that you could get a smoother cake. Now I am going to go ahead and roll out a piece of fondant. We will be rolling out fondant throughout the whole video, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you this clip so you could get an idea of how I do it. Right now I'm rolling out the fondant for the top portion of the cake. You will need to roll out fondant again for the sides of the cake. Now I'm taking my 6-inch pan, which is the size of my cake, and I'm just cutting my fondant around. And this is what we are going to use for the top. Also, if you see the little bunch of white stuff on the side, that is confectioner's sugar or powdered sugar, whatever you want to call it. This is very helpful so that your fondant will not stick to your work surface. Now this is the little trick that I was talking to you all about. This is a Bounty paper towel. So you're going to go ahead and use the side that does not have texture so that you could go ahead and smooth out your cake a little more. Just be thoughtful that this doesn't work for all types of buttercreams. Some buttercreams you could smooth it out directly once you finish with your scraper, and some you do have to put it in the fridge for a little while so it could cool. So it works differently with different fondants. Right now I am just adding a little bit of water to the top of my cake. This is so that my fondant could stick to my cake. This is practically my glue. You just place it on top and smooth it out. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my ruler so I can measure the sides and I could roll out some more fondant for the sides. I rolled out my fondant and I did add a little bit of water so it could stick, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply it all around my cake. Make sure to leave a little extra fondant for the flap, just like you could see in the little video. I left it there so that it can look like the little sheet that's actually flipping out of the toilet paper. And that's what I mean about the little extra fondant that you do want to leave. So now I'm just going to go ahead and add some texture to the cake. That way you could look like the little squares that you cut off. And I'm just going to use this little Wilton tool. I did purchase that at Walmart. I'm not sure the name, but I purchased it at Walmart, and I know you'll go ahead and be able to see what I'm talking about because it gives it a cute, nice little texture that looks like the toilet paper squares. And for this, you can get as creative as you like. You can add designs, whatever you like. Now we're going to use a little piece of black fondant. This black fondant, we are going to go ahead and add it on the top at the very center of the cake so it could look like the little hole that the toilet paper has. We're going to add a little bit of water so it could stick and place it in the center. Now with my same little tool, I'm going to go ahead and give it some texture on the top so it can look like the toilet paper roll. And that is the toilet paper. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.